ابھی آپ کو براہ راست یہ چلتے ہیں، وزیر صحت عبدالقادر پٹیل نیوز کانفرنس کر رہے ہیں.
Made even worse in the wake of the floods in parts of the country. And so I am so pleased here on my visit to have been able to announce an additional $16.4 million to address malnutrition and post-flood recovery, which includes help for rehabilitating health facilities. In my visit to Sindh this week, I was able to meet with very impressive lady health workers and hand over equipment to them to be able to continue their important frontline efforts in primary health care, and also deliver 5,000 units of ready-to-use therapeutic food as a down payment on a much larger commitment for tackling malnutrition. So again, I wish you all the best here for this health dialogue, and again, it's an honor to be a part of it. Thank you.
Thank you very much. बहुत शुक्रिया.
وفاقی وزیر صحت عبدالقادر پٹیل کی USA ایشا کے ہمراہ تقریب سے خطاب. انہوں نے کہا کہ کورونا اور سیلاب کی صورتحال میں USA نے پاکستان کی مدد کی. USA